Welcome to Euron, everyone. And the series which I'm going to talk about, the series which I'm going to announce is a very, very important series for most of us. Doesn't matter in which technology we are going to work or we are already working. Doesn't matter I'm a junior or I'm a senior. But this particular series is the most important series for all of you. So let me reveal that and let me show you my screen. So yes, I'm talking about a system design masters. Doesn't matter. So in which area you are working in a tech, so which technology you are going to use. But at the end of the day, so to design this entire ecosystem or to design the product, so you have to follow some of the principle. You should know about some of the architecture. You must be aware about many more things around this entire system design, and keeping that in a mind. So the system design masters course has been designed for all of you. Personally, I'm going to cover the entire topic, and then this system design series is going to start on 1st June 2025. Everything will be delivered in an English language basically. And yeah, so every Monday we are going to release one module. There are 8 sections, so this entire series is not going to take much of time to complete, much of time to deliver this entire things. And yeah, so please go through a syllabus once, just once, and believe me, you will feel amazed. You will literally feel amazed in a way that I have covered everything. I have mentioned everything. I'm going to talk about each and everything in very, 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 very detailed way. In a very detailed way, in a very depth way, we are going to talk about each and everything. So just go through a syllabus once, guys, and if I'm missing anything, do let me know. But hopefully I'm not missing anything inside this syllabus, and I'm going to cover each and everything for all of you. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Hope all of you are going to love it. All of you are going to like it. And yeah, this is literally a very amazing course that I'm going to build, I'm going to create for all of you. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care.